So this set is called Secret Back Half, and it kind of works on the idea that you have 3 teams within your training group, and on each, the set is 10 200s, all negative split, and we want to give a score to swimmers that are negative splitting appropriately. But the trick to this set is we're going to randomly pick 3 swimmers, one from team A, one from team B, one from team C. So the swimmers don't know who's going to be the person that is held accountable. And I tell them all the time, hey, there's a 1 in 13 chance that it's you, but there's a 1 in 13 chance that it's you. So when we're doing this set, I'll usually, 1 200 ahead of time. You can check this box, and it's randomly going to give you 3 names, one from team A, one from team B, and one from team C. And then when you're doing this, I'll have like myself, my assistant coach, and maybe my manager will each get one of these swimmers, and we time their first 100 and we time their second 100, and we'll record them here. So it was Mickey Mouse, George Jetson, and Spider-Man. Yep. So for George Jetson, maybe he goes a 1030 on the first 100, and then on the second 100 he goes a 5890. And when you're entering for this spreadsheet, you do not need to enter in any hours, minutes, seconds, nothing like that. Just put in the numbers, because we're not manipulating anything. We're just checking to see if this number is less than this number. And it was, and George Jetson is going to get 410 points for his team, because this time is 4.1 seconds faster than the first 100. So maybe Spider-Man comes up and he's going to go 112.90, and then he goes a 110.00. He gets 290 points for his team. And maybe Mickey Mouse comes in and he doesn't negative split. He goes 108.0, 109.0. So it turns red, and it doesn't award his team any points. So then for the next one, I'm going to click again, and we're Winnie the Pooh, Timmy Turner, and Woody Woodpecker. And it's going to, turn them yellow. And unfortunately, it's what's called a chaotic random number generator, which means every time I put something in the spreadsheet, it's going to generate more names. So I just put X's real quick on these so I know which ones they are, and I'll uncheck. And then Winnie the Pooh is going to go he really knows how to do this set. He goes a 120, and then he goes a 102. And that is 1,800 points for Team A. So then Team B comes in, and Timmy Turner is going to miss it. He's going to go 100, and then 102. No points. And then Woody Woodpecker comes in, and he's going to do the exact same thing Winnie the Pooh does. He's going to go really slow. I would highly recommend you have some sort of design in place in case kids really start to do this and miss intervals. He gets 3,000 points for his team. So this is not going to be rewarding our fast kids. Like Winnie the Pooh is not a fast swimmer. He went a 222 from a push, but he got 1,800 points for his team, whereas Timmy Turner goes a 202 and doesn't. But it's all about the design of the set, where we're trying to get kids to really understand what a negative split, what a fast back half feels like. And you don't need to change anything over here. What you'll do ahead of time is you'll put the team names and the teams in on this spreadsheet, and it will automatically pull them in alphabetical order, so it's easy for you to keep track. So if I were to put in Arthur Aardvark here, and then come over to my template, he's going to be on Team B, and he's my very first person in line.